Today we're going to film a fake little cappuccino recipe with the Joespresso version 2 filter attachment. I'll show you how to do that. We start out with some half and half. I guess you could use milk, but I've never tried that, but half and half works. I'm going to do about 30 milliliters of half and half. And this is refrigerated cold. And just leave it in the bottom of the cup. Rinse out my cup for later. I'm going to grind up some French roast beans. These are Pete's, but any French roast would be fine. I'm going to use this little Joespresso bottom half for my weigh tool. I'm going to weigh about 9 grams of beans. So it'll be about that full, not to the top. And I think something's gone wrong. Let's try this again. 0. $12 is too much. 10 is too much. Still 10. 9 is fine. So we're going to do 9 grams of beans. We're going to grind it the way we normally grind AeroPress. I'll show you how fine that is. It's 12 on a Bratza grinder. But just the normal AeroPress grind, so about that fine. Pretty fine, but not espresso fine. Can you see that? I'm going to drop things on the floor and need to clean them off. And I'm just going to even it off. And the excess goes in the sink if I have any. I'm going to press it. And we're going to wait till the hot water boils.
Okay.
All right, this is what we want. We want the water boiling. We're going to take the boiling water. We're going to pour about 90 milliliters of boiling water. My little cup doesn't go up that high, but I guess that's about 90. We're going to pour that in there. And we're going to wait 10 seconds. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 6 Mississippi, 7 Mississippi, 8 Mississippi, 9 Mississippi, 10 Mississippi. And we're going to push it real hard. And it's only going to go so fast through that Joespresso filter, but we're just going to push it as hard and fast as we can get it. And we're going to push through the bubbles. And we have some really fine foam here. And it's really nice. It hangs around for a while. And we're going to add some cinnamon on it. Just a little bit. Like that. And this is a nice fake cappuccino. So, fun to drink.